of May 2023. So guys, President Emerson Mnangagwa is at RGM International Airport for the commissioning of 18 medical emergency helicopters. The helicopters are part of government's public-private partnership with the Russian Federation. And here are some of the pictures which are on your screen right now. Is 18 emergency helicopters, 18 medical emergency helicopters. I mean, we need those helicopters. Akuna dzimwe nzvimbo dzine marodzi amwe asingaiti handika pana vanhu vekuti vanenge vachichoda kubatsirwa nechimbi and so we'll be keeping you guys up to date here with the latest on daily news, breaking news, everyday news on Prince Mila Entertainment TV. Remember to like, share, comment and follow and turn on the notification bell. Bless up.